EURUSD this week has started from this point here where this support around 1.05087 has been, and also we can see that during this week the price has gone from this support to this resistance. So there was no too big moves from this EURUSD, but about 100 pips the move has made. You can see it from 1.0506 up to 1.0616. 110 pips. So the price has gone a little bit up, but the price did not could make a breakout to the upside above 1.05825. The price has jumped, we can see it here, the price started from the Monday here, and on Wednesday the price has reversed back down. It has bounced from this supply zone here around this resistance level, and then again from this start of this demand zone the price has continued to move up on a Thursday, and on a Friday we can see it has made small breakout above these three candles, open and close bodies. You can see it here. Now, if we go to the weekly time frame, you will see how this looks after the price has made this bullish pin bar right here, a very strong and big one. Then the price has made a pretty big jumps with these weeks. We can see it here in the previous week, and this week the price has made a pretty solid bullish candle. The candle has formed right here where in between the support and the resistance level, where the first support below that is 1.03920 and about 1.05825. We can see that the price is right currently inside indecision area where the price is bouncing between these two price levels on the weekly time frame. So if we go to the monthly, we'll see that this price has formed some kind of indecision candle right here. We can see with very strong wicks, large wicks and small body. So we have one more week until this month ends, and we will see how the month will end, because we can see currently there is a possibility that the price will go down, and also there is a possibility that the price could reverse back up. So we need to see how the month will end, so we know how the next month could look. But before that, we can also go to the weekly and also daily time frame to see much more clear information. Now, based on the previous week analysis, I have mentioned that the EURUSD could drop in value, where the entry would be 1.051 and the stop loss would be 1.056. So this didn't happen because this price has gone upside, which means this was not a correct idea from my side. Now let's go to the forecast, what could happen next week. So regarding the monthly time frame, it's very important to see where the month will end, because very critical level for the monthly time frame is this one here, 1.054, and also this one, 1.055. Very critical levels. If the price closes below, we could expect next month that the price would continue even more down. So these are very critical levels, 1.053, 54 and also 55. Let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. We can see here that important level on the weekly time frame is 1.0504. We can see it here, very important level, and also very important levels are this one, 1.054. So on the monthly time frame, this is very critical level, which if it is broken to the downside, it means that the price could go even more down, reaching these price levels around 1.04. So we can see that this week has ended as a bullish one, and the price has gone above this one close price. You can see it here of the previous week, above this one, and also even above this one. So there is still room for the price to go to the upside, where the first stop could be around this one area here. First one is 1.061 and also 1.063, a very important levels for the bulls. If the price goes above, and as it looks right now on the weekly time frame, there is a possibility that the price could go up to 1.063, and from there it will be very important to see the daily time frame how the candles will close. If the price drops below that, there is a possibility that the price could reach again this area around this one, 1.05455 price level. But if the price goes above, this will be a great signal for the monthly time frame and also for the weekly, that the price has found a great support and great demand zone that will push the price higher, or at least prevent the price from falling down. But in another case, if the price goes below this one, 1.054 price level, there is a possibility that the price will go and drop down even more, and the first one where the price could stop is this one here, 1.047, based on the previous candles support and resistance levels. Below that, if the price goes down, the next one is 1.041. So now we know what are the critical levels on the daily time frame. We'll see how this looks. So 1.063 is the start of this supply zone. So there is a possibility that the price next week will reach this area here, and then it will be very critical to see how the price behaves around this supply zone. Will it break above, or it will bounce back down? Very critical level is 1.053. You can see it here, very close to the 1.054 I have mentioned, the weekly time frame and also monthly. But if the price goes below this one, we can see it here, 1.05. The next one where the price could stop is 1.045, and below that is around 1.04 price level. So we can see how this looks from the higher time frames up to smaller time frames. Very critical levels are here, and we need to see how the price will behave. If you would like to see what are my trading ideas for the next week, you can also join the trading community, and inside I will share what is the entry, stop loss and take profit levels for the EURUSD. Now let's go and check GBP USD, how this looks. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.